is easy when it comes to you. Wishing I could stay a little angry at the stupid shit you do. No one would believe it if we said we're through. We just pick up the pieces, we always do. And all I think about is I don't ever really wanna.
Happy August, everyone. Look at my tattoos. They're so cute. Just putting on my shoes and I'll be heading out in a bit. 2 days more. Tapos, day off ko na. Yay! So, bakit ganun? Uy. Ano gagawin? Alam mo lang ulit. Ano na lang ano? Libre na. Saka na pagkain. Gagawin.
Take your time. Sige lang.
Will I be able to finish this? Really cute right now, pero nagmamadali ako. I have like 30 minutes before ako malate. So,
Okay lang yan.
I'm sorry guys, but child labor won today. I look so cute in this Shein dress. Hello, okay ba yung quality? I'm using my back cam right now. Also, I'm using the tripod na so tumbler ko. Like, this is so cute. As you guys may or may not know, I've been using like a fleece blanket as my cortina for the past 7 to 8 months. I think it's time na gumamit na ako ng totoong cortina. So I ordered a real cortina from Shopee the other night. Tapos dumating na siya today. That's crazy. I got this for like 200 pesos each. And I bought 2. Hindi siya blackout or anything kasi I like natural light for my window. Sana ano, okay lang siya. Ooh. It's been a nice cortina for the past 7 months, but you have to go Mr. Cow Fleece Blanket. It's cute, but I think ready na ako maging adult to actually have a proper cortina for my window. Ew, do you see that? Ew, ew, ew. I'm gonna paint over that. Hope you find peace for yourself. I think masyado siyang mahaba. Baby, you got something on your nose. Cute ba? Wait. Oh my god, ang ganda. Ooh. Oda. Oh, look at you. No! No, 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 no. I kind of made a mistake sa choice ng curtain na binili ko. It's too sheer. So, nakikita ko from outside. Pagpapalit ko na lang siguro yung curtain ko na pinaka-cover ko dito sa cabinet. And ipagpapalit ko sila. But the problem is, masyado siyang mahaba for my window mismo. And ayoko na ulit gumastos for another curtain. So, mas okay tong curtain from my cabinet kesa dito sa curtain na binili ko sa Shopee. I got this from Lazada. I forgot how much this is. I think it was around 200 pesos din. Okay, so this is what it looks like from the inside. And this is what I bought sa Shopee. This one's nicer. Ito lang sana binili ko. Ano ba yan? Good morning. Happy Saturday. Sobrang sakit na lalamunan ko and I think I peed the bed a little kanina. Tapos di ko napansin. Hindi ko narinig yung alarm clocks ko kanina eh. Dami-dami kong plans this weekend. Tapos feel like hindi ko sila magagawa kasi magkakasakit ako. Pwede po kaya to? I think 2 weeks na tong garlic ko. Try 2.5 for this time. I'm done eating and I'm just gonna have to finish this sinigang soup from last month. Actually, I think I cooked this about 2 months ago. I think it's still edible. It doesn't taste weird. Parang medyo weird yung pork. I'm actually feeling a little bit better now. Tapos after I finish this soup, I'm going to take my meds and then get ready to go to town and get my MacBook 2015 charger that I bought secondhand sa Carousel for the first time ever, Koda. Hi, okay, I am about to head out. I'm wearing my jumper again kasi on the top that I'm wearing from Shein, medyo hindi siya safe. Pwede siyang tumaas ng ganito. See, you can already see my bra here. And I think masyado siyang extra, so mag-jumper na lang ako. And I'm about to head out. Got my charger. I don't know if mag-grocery ako ng konti. I need eggs, I need sabon, pandigo. To be honest, yun lang. I'm like Coco Mama. Wala ko masyadong need, so maybe not. And it's also raining, so baka medyo hassle.
And all I think about is I don't ever really wanna live without your love. Your love. We can take the weekend.
Okay, pero second hand. Sabay-sabay na lang ba? Honeydew latte, tapos isang blueberry. Just
Bali pa yung sa drinks namin, medium na po yung available.
yun lang po. Hot po.
Cute naman yun. Tingnan din yung order ko nung last. Sarap niya.
Matamis masyado para sa akin.
Ang pait ng kapit ako.
Sa office?
Sa taas.
ka rin. Kailan ba kayo babiyahe po baba? Bukas rin? Sige lang din kami.
Could it be, I'll never stand up taller? Could it be that nothing's gonna change? When the muscles round my brain start to make me feel insane, I think it's time to get on the road again.
Okay, hi. So it is currently 5 p.m. I just finished taking a shower. My clothes are folded. Laundry is done. Half of my laundry, I mean. The apartment is clean. My throat is not doing well. Kanina pa ako ubo ng ubo. Kailangan ko bumili ng gamot soon. But I'm taking this and like Biogesic lang so far. Don't think it works. And yun. Hindi ko sure kung magluluto ako mamaya. Pero nag-defrost ako ng chicken kanina. Because I wanted tinola. Pero now I'm not so sure. Kasi medyo tamad ako. I just wanna try kung okay ba tong lighting na to. Itong pure white. Ooh! Mas okay pala to as light, no? Siguro i-try ko na ganito na lang yung mga sit-down videos ko. Ta-da! It's done. Good morning! Dami ko pang arte kahapon. Nag-vid pa ako about me drinking this. Pero hindi ko pa di siya ubos hanggang ngayon. Because it tastes like shit, bro! See that? You can see that. You see? Oh! Pero ano, inumin ko siya lahat. Even the ginger bits. Para gumaling na ako. Or something. It's me and my expensive ass band shirt. I got this for 1.7. Gigil ako sa'yo eh. Huh? Ang cute mo eh. You're so cute. Tada! I don't. Hi, baby! Nagtapon ako ng basura. Again. And kasama ko si Koda. Arrived 10 minutes early. 12 minutes earlier. Yay! Hindi ako nagmamadali. Brick City shirt. Outfit repeater except for the shirt. Good morning. Finally, Friday na, last day. Going to be really productive tomorrow, okay? Or maybe even later tonight.
Yung pagano pa, di ba?
It's a message you would have hidden. Kind of loving my room.
Could it be that everything's changed? I look over my body and the light. Oh my Lord, I am a great denier. Oh my Lord, is all my love in vain? Though I shouldn't think of sorrow when I'm standing in the rain. Oh my Lord, believe me, I'm no liar. Oh my Lord, there's no one else to blame. Like a deck of cards at a local bar, I found on the road, I've always got the sun in my head. And the moon ain't been nothing but a long, lonesome friend. When I think of all the miles behind the sky that's up ahead, I think it's time to get on the road again.
Video.
Okay, hi. The mood is smoothing because of the lighting. Kakatapos ko lang mag-lunch and mag-mop. And then medyo fix my things, but it's not really fixed pa. Nag-lunch ako kanina, which is the tinola that I cooked yesterday. Nakapag-paint na din ako ng green part sa wall ng CR door ko. So medyo cute na siya. For today, I'm just going to fold all my laundry from the laundry that I did 2 weeks ago and the laundry that I did yesterday. So medyo nagkumpul-kumpulan na sila. Fuck. To be honest, di ko sure kung kit pa ako sa mga pinagagawa ko. I am going to bring lahat ng clothes na kailangan ko i-fold. Bro.
Well, the odds were low, but I was born. Me and nobody else. And I grew up slow, in starts and storms. I can't remember now. Oh, I forget myself. Ooh. Well, the odds were low, but she was there. She and nobody else. And we fell in love, an unlikely pair. I can't remember now. No, I forget
Good morning! Lamig! More than 1 week na More than 1 week na nakakalipas. Hindi pa din nawawala yung ubo ko. Kahit nagagamot ako. It's a bad morning. Nainis ako. Hindi nag-desert para. Turn over.
Minsan mas nag-fill up ka pa nito. Eh, hindi naman siya may idagdag. Parang
store via cash system.
So yun eh.
Talaga yun eh.
when it comes to design, dun ako mahina. Pero when it comes to like, ini-study yung user experience ng isang user, dun ako nag-excel. Like, more on the analyzation part. Kaya, definitely, gusto mismong UI design part. Yun yung...
Hello. Lasang hazelnut. Oh shit. Okay, buti na lang yan. Okay, good morning. It's a Tuesday. Paalis na ako. Parang 8 AM ako. Gumalaw kasi wala akong masyadong tulog kagabi. Mamaya na ako magkakwento. Basta, it was very, very scary. It's the scariest experience I had dito sa apartment. So, Okay, so na-export ko na yung video, tapos I rewatched it again. Tapos na-realize ko na hindi ko pa pala na kwento kung ano nangyari that night. Like, basically, buti na lang hindi pa ako tulog that time. I was just, may kausap lang ako na girl. I was making kwento to her. And then, tumatahol si Koda since there was someone outside. Narinig ko siya. Nagtataka ako bakit 2 minutes na gumagalaw-galaw pa din siya. Pero alam mo yung galaw na alam mong is being careful na hindi siya mag-make ng masyadong noise. So like, since na-weird talaga ako dun sa noise. Kahit alam ko na medyo maingay yung pag-lock ng doors ko, nilock ko talaga siya. Kahit alam ko na may guy dun sa labas. And then, baka ma-offend siya na nilakan siya ng door. Kahit wala naman talaga siyang ginagawang masama. Pero like, be safe lang, ganun. Tapos, nilock ko no. Bigla siyang nag-knock sa akin. Nagtaka ako kasi parang 11:30 a.m. or almost 12 a.m. na yun. And then, hindi ko talaga siya pinabubuksan. Pero ang weird thing is, naka-open yung window ko, parang naka-close yung curtain. Siguro di mo makikita yung kung ano yung nasa inside kasi sobrang dark din ng light ko nun pa. Tapos hindi siya tumitigil sa pag-knock. And then, tumingin ako dun sa peephole ng door ko, buti lang may ganun. Tapos, I see someone na tumitingin siya sa door ko. Tapos, sobrang quiet. Tapos, na-hear ko na yung heartbeat ko. So, sobrang kaba and takot. Tapos, umupo na lang ako sa gilid ng door ko. Tapos, nag-knock siya. And then, nagmamam ng ilang beses sa akin. Tapos, I was just sitting beside ng door sa gilid para wala siyang makita. Kasi medyo, diba, open yung window ko. And then, inabot niya yung kamay niya dun sa window ko and tried. Parang ginugulo-gulo niya yung curtain ko. Then, I tried calling the landlord. Hindi siya sumasagot. Siguro tulog na siya that time. And I tried calling Bryce. Nakailang ring ata before he picked up. Nasabi ko sa kanya sobrang takot ako. And kung pwede siya pumunta kasi I was really scared. Ayun, he was still outside and like nagmamam. Tapos, pinner niya yung handle ng door ko. So, I was really scared. Buti na lang nalock ko on time. Buti na lang I listened to my guts na nilock yung door ko. Pero, my window was open nga. Basta try niyang i-open. Tapos, after a while, para hindi ko siya maisip, naglinis-linis na lang ako. Hindi ko na alam kung nasa labas pa ba siya or anything para like, ayun. That's what happened that night. And I had like 2 nightmares about it ever since. Bye-bye, Koda. Kung wala si Koda kagabi, siguro napasok na ako dito sa bahay. Okay, bye-bye. Love you. Oh my God, ang cute ko today.
If you make me stay outside for a glance to last the night, if you put me in distress, I won't love you any less. I won't love you any less. If you twist my fragile heart and it breaks into pieces in the dark, if you leave a dangerous mess, I won't love you any less. I won't love you any less. If I try to hold your hand while you slip and slide towards another man, 'cause of you I get no rest. But I won't love you any less. No, I won't love you any
It's nice. Sinip ko to. August 15.
That's the headline for today.
Ay, tangina mo.